I wanna demonstrate you how to add the pop-up text in Premiere Pro. Let's go! First of all, you need to select your type tool and start to write the text. By the Extension Graph toolbar, you can make all changes that you want. Secondly, go to Effects and write Transform. Drag your transfer effect to your text layer. Then, go to the Effects control and under the Transform, click on the scale. The first stopwatch icon will appear. Change the scale value to 75. Then, move few frames ahead and change the scale value to 125. Again, move your frame a few frames ahead and change your scale value to 100. Next, uncheck the Use Component value and change the shutter angle to 360 degrees. If you wanna copy this effect, just click on the transform and select Copy. In case if you wanna save this effect as a preset, again click on the transform, right click of the mouse, Save Preset. Of course, if you go to Effects, you can write the name of the preset that you saved and you will find it. Everything is ready, let's see the result. Help to grow this channel, put your like and subscribe.